And so I have a Facebook business page. I have a Facebook personal page. And when I'm posting, which page should I post to?
Great question. So part of it depends on what the content, what it is. You know, if it's something business related, typically what I believe in on your personal profile is 80% of what you talk about in your personal profile should be personal. Now that doesn't have to, it doesn't have to be every, personal aspect of your life, but it could be family, friends, hobbies, passion. You see a beautiful sunset, you're drinking a great, cup of coffee, whatever it might be. It's personal. The other 20% can be business. And when I say business, what I recommend is that if it's business, you post it to your business profile first, your business page first. And then from time to time, you can go to your business page and share that business post over to your personal profile. Now, I'm sure you probably believe this too. I don't think you should do that every time. I don't think you should be that person that's kind of annoyingly always talking about business. But I do that periodically. For example, we have a weekly video that comes out every week that's business related. It's tips and tools and strategies, and that goes on our business page. But one of our ways we get that video out, we distribute it, is we share it from my business page over to my personal profile. So it's a nice way to kind of bridge the gap, and also to kind of a friendly reminder to people that you're friends with that, hey, I also have a business page as well. So I think part of it depends on the content. And I will say a lot of people are sometimes hesitant to post to their business page because they don't get a whole lot of traction. And a big piece in that is what is the content you're posting to your business page? Typically the content that gets the most traction is original content, as you know, right? Facebook Live, I know you're the Facebook Live queen, Marky. It's about videos, about Facebook Live, that original content. It's going to tell the story of what it feels like to work with you. And that's a huge differentiator.